Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if the touchscreen is not working on your Windows 11 laptop. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select run from the list. In this dialog box, enter this command and then click on OK. Now in the hardware and devices window, click on next. Now simply wait for the troubleshooter to run and find and fix any problems. However, if this doesn't help, you can go to the settings app. Now go to the Windows Update tab here. Now in here, scroll down and click on advanced options. Now here make sure you have enabled this receive updates for other Microsoft products option. Now scroll down and go to optional updates. Simply use these checkboxes to select all the updates from here and then click on download and install. Now go back to the Windows Update tab. Now simply check for the Windows system updates as well. Once you have installed these updates, check if the touchscreen is working now. If nothing else works, right click on the start icon and then go to device manager from the list. Now in here, expand human interface and devices. Here you should see several entries. One of them will be HID compliant touchscreen. Simply right click on that entry and then click on update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers and then click on close. If this doesn't work, right click on the touchscreen driver again and then click on uninstall. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your Windows 11 laptop and your issue will be solved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.